at this point, I feel like I just give my viewers like epilepsy and nausea, you know, with my vlog. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a day in my life vlog. I'm not sure. Yes, let's just say it is. Let me just like put you. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I was gonna vlog.
Oh man, you look fucked up.
You look good. It's fine. We're just going to the grocery store. It's okay. We just need eggs. Okay, we're going to the grocery store. And I think I'll do the introduction later because he's... Okay. Bye. See you in a while. Yeah, Humi and Louie are sisters. Just updating my new bestie about my old besties. Okay, it's gonna be wobbly though. Cello?
Cello.
But I look so bald. What? I look so bald. Yeah. I look like this one pastor I know.
Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real?
Hey, look. Get out my fucking shoes. Get out. Get out. You're gonna clean this. You're gonna clean this. To help me out with English. Yeah. Yeah? That's forward. Okay.
You're gonna be on my vlog. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Yeah, that's one thing.
Yeah, I have.
That's why you called me. No, not because of the vlog. Because I wanted to ask you what you want to drink.
I got some flowers. They're so pretty. But no one's sharing the joy with me because Yan and Anam are not into flowers. They're like, yeah, okay, yeah, I guess they're pretty. But yeah. I'm just trying to put it in the vase now. Full bonito, beautiful. Maybe it's just not the right thing for it. Like, it looks so awkward. I don't know. I think I'm gonna ask mom. You go out every night on daddy's nice car. Yeah, you're living the life. Got a pretty face. Yeah. Hello, finally, maybe a quick introduction as to what we're gonna do today. What we've done so far. I don't know. We threw out the trash. There's lots of it. There's still lots of it. So we're gonna throw the second half sometime today or tomorrow maybe. It's a really good weather and it's never been this sunny in a week. So obviously we're going to take advantage of it, and we are trying, by we I mean my flatmate and I and Jan from upstairs. Yeah, so I'm trying to go to the beach because it's a really nice weather, but I also want to catch the sunset. I haven't seen the sunset, you know, I saw it last week in Portugal, but I haven't seen, like, Nijmegen sunsets are, like, they're really pretty. They're like these pink and purple hues, and it's like really pretty, and so yeah, I haven't seen that in a while, right? So we thought, okay, we'll go catch the sunset. That's the main plan for today. But yeah, we're just going to beach. That's like the whole plan for today. We went to do groceries. We're gonna cook dinner later on after they're done running errands. Enough blabber. I'll see you guys around. Okay, so they just told me that the beach is closed because it's flooding in Limburg right now, and then the water has reached Nijmegen, so okay, so it's perfect, you know. The moment the weather is nice, it's closed. Anyway, there's a party later tonight, so what is the point of this vlog? I thought I would be able to take some nice clips if we go to the beach and have some beautiful sunset clips, you know, but okay, this vlog is gonna suck probably, but we're still gonna go ahead and see what we can do.
Just when I thought that my heart was full.
I'm in my mom's car.
Your mom's car? You're gonna vlog from the car?
Yeah, because I didn't end last. Hi, welcome back to the second day because I forgot to vlog last night and then we had a party and we are gonna go to the park to sleep because it's sunny.
Days are always over. Before I had a chance, I fantasized about more than just a meaningless romance. With time, I'll never understand. I would take it all for granted when I could hold you in my hands. Oh, you love the feeling you can.
Hello, we are back.
More onions than yesterday. So yesterday I put less than that.
We are back. We're gonna eat dinner. So he's doing the patties. I did all of that. Jan's just out here standing.
Well, I don't think you believe in fish.
Like captors, I never understood how they would take it all for granted when they would hold it in their hands.
Yummy, yummy.